Imagine drifting through space, completely alone. No stars ahead of you, no galaxies behind you, no light in any direction. Only darkness, endless, silent darkness. Not ordinary darkness, but the deepest emptiness ever discovered. This place exists. It is called the Boötes void. And if you were lost there, you would drift for billions of years. Pause. You have already looked toward it, perhaps without realizing. On a clear night, find the Big Dipper in the constellation Ursa Major. Follow the gentle curve of its handle. It leads to a warm orange star, Arcturus. In that direction, far beyond what any human eye can see, lies a vast region of almost nothing. From Earth, it appears as ordinary darkness, but that darkness hides something immense. Pause. The Boötes void lies about 700 million light-years away. To understand that distance, consider this. The Andromeda galaxy, our nearest great galactic neighbor, is only 2.5 million light-years away. The void is nearly 300 times farther. Even traveling at the speed of light, the journey would take 700 million years, longer than complex life has existed on Earth. Pause. Imagine you possessed a ship capable of such a journey. First, you would leave Earth behind, then the planets, then the distant edge of the solar system. You would accelerate until the sun itself became just another star. Eventually, you would depart the Milky Way, a galaxy 100,000 light-years wide, containing hundreds of billions of stars. As you traveled farther, the sky would begin to change. Stars would thin, darkness would deepen, silence would grow. Pause. For centuries, we believed galaxies were scattered evenly throughout the universe, but modern observations revealed a different truth. After the birth of the universe, gravity slowly gathered matter into immense filaments, vast rivers of galaxies stretching across cosmic distances. Between these filaments lie enormous empty regions, voids. They make up most of the volume of the universe, and the Boötes void is the largest known example. Pause. There is no boundary when you approach a void, no wall, no sudden drop. Galaxies simply become fewer and fewer until they nearly disappear. The Boötes void spans about 330 million light-years across. Even light itself would need 165 million years to travel from its edge to its center. And when you finally arrived, you would see almost nothing. Pause. A void is not a hole. It does not pull you downward. It is simply emptiness. But in that emptiness, something profound happens. You lose all reference. No up, no down, no horizon. If your lights went out, you would not know whether you were drifting or perfectly still. The temperature would hover just above absolute zero, near the coldest state nature allows, and the silence would be complete. Pause. The Boötes void is not entirely empty. Astronomers have identified a few dozen galaxies within it, but in a region so vast, that number is almost meaningless. Finding one would be like searching for a single grain of sand in an ocean. most likely you would never encounter another galaxy at all. Pause. When we look at the night sky, it feels crowded with stars, but the truth is very different. The universe is mostly empty. Between great clusters of galaxies stretch immense regions of silence, darkness, space. The Boötes void is the greatest of them. And yet, here we are, on a small world, orbiting an ordinary star, inside one galaxy among trillions, surrounded by light, surrounded by life, in a universe that is mostly nothing. Pause. Perhaps that is what makes our existence so remarkable. In the vastest darkness imaginable, we are a place where the universe learned to shine.